Oh, God bless you, Miss Wood.
My allergies are really acting up today.
Yeah, mine too.
Alan. What are you allergic to, Bill?
Oh, well, if I eat a peanut, I could die.
So don't eat them, dork. Check out Mr. Peanut. Let's find out if he's lying.
Are you guys gonna eat with me?
Yeah.
Did you guys put some in my sandwich?
No.
What happens now? Should we call an ambulance?
Hey, Chuck.
Hey, Alan.
I'm sorry.
Hey, it's okay. Just don't do it again, because I could die.